Many years back, I was a gym instructor and I come to sunny North Wales and took the opportunity to go to university and get my degree in mental health nursing. Sometimes we go through periods in life and we do face a bit of a struggle as well. And I think struggling sometimes just makes us, in a lot of ways, a bit more wiser, a bit more stronger as a person. And if you kind of fast forward a bit and you're working with families now, you get to think with families as well to help propel them forward. It's always useful to bring that previous life experience into play as well. And again, when you see families working really hard and reaching the goals and being generally a lot more happier, and the relationships within the families seem a lot more transparent and stronger, it's all worthwhile.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. Conwy.gov.uk/swyddi.